Estimate the quantities of brickwork and plastering required in a wall 4 meter long, 3 meter height and 30 centimeter thick. Calculate also the cost if the rate of brickwork is 320 per cubic meter and of plastering is 8.50 per cubic meter. Okay, 320 rupees and 8.50, 8.5 rupees per square meter. Okay, initially we need to find out the quantity of brickwork. Quantity of brickwork. Quantity of brickwork is length into breadth into height. That is 4 into 3 into 0.30 meters. Okay, then that will be 3.6 cubic meter. Okay, next we need to find out the quantity of plastering. Okay. Quantity of plastering. Since plastering is provided in two phases, we can find out the quantity of plastering by using 2 into L into H. Okay, that is 2 into 4 into 3. That is 24 square meter. Okay. Next, we can find out the cost of brickwork. Cost of brickwork is, we have 3.6 meter cube and for 1 cubic meter the amount is around 320 rupees. So 3.6 into 320, that is rupees 1152 rupees. Okay, that is the cost of brickwork. Next we are going to find out the cost of plastering. Okay, since plastering is provided in 24 square meter area, our cost will be 24 into 8.50, that is rupees 204. Okay, then our total cost will be the cost of brickwork plus cost of plastering, that is 1152 plus 204, that's equal to rupees 1356 rupees. Okay, that is the total cost.